Okay, so I had to put my spare tire in the back of my car because the other day I had got a flat tire or whatever. So I had to change, my friend helped me change it, and I forgot to put the spare back up. But I did that, and now we're going to go on this vlog finding out the cheapest natural hair care products in a bunch of different stores. I think we might start with Target. Let me see, where can we go? Target, ShopRite. I'm trying to plan out how we're going to do this because where I live is like a whole complex of places. If I find up, I know we're going to end with Family Dollar because I thought Family Dollar's prices were the cheapest, so we're going to stop at Family Dollar. That'll be like the last stop on our trip, and I want to visit one beauty supply store just to show you guys exactly what their prices are going to be. Now, just remember, these prices are going to be different because I live in South Jersey, so the prices and the taxes may be different if you live in New York, if you live in Cali, if you live in Minnesota, all those different things. So just keep that in mind. This is just for an example of what prices might be. If you guys want, in a later video when I have somebody to actually film for me, I can do a video on the different places. So maybe I'll go to New York stores, maybe I'll go to North Jersey stores. So just let me know if that's something that you guys are interested in. But for right now, we're about to start and I'm excited. I got my music ready, so let's get going. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and enjoy the show. Okay, so right now we're at Target, and Target is usually very expensive and overpriced. But last time I was at Target in North Jersey, I did see some really cool prices on SHEA Moisture. So we're going to do some investigation and see what is up with Target. So follow me, guys. Follow me, hoes.
Don't follow me, follow me.
Enter Target. I'm trying to be inconspicuous so that I don't get in trouble for filming in Target. So I see cosmetics. We gotta go. I think hair care would be with cosmetics. I probably look really freaking stupid talking to myself, but we're gonna see. Oh yeah, okay, I see hair care products. Oh my god, there's the baby. Okay, I found the mother load. I found all the SHEA Moisture products. Oh wait, these are for body stuff. Never mind, disregard. Hey, I found the hair products. So I'm gonna show you guys what Target's prices are for their hair care products. Alright, let's go. Guys, check this out. It looks so cool. What the hell? And it's not that much money. And it's clear. I like that. I like that. So I made it out alive, guys, undiscovered. Let's hope that what's this called? It goes smoothly for all the other stores that I have to go to, because I was a little slick in this one. So we're on to, I believe, ShopRite next, and then I think there's something else I want to go. Oh, Ross. Then ShopRite. So let's talk. Target's prices were actually not too bad. Also, they also have a lot of natural hair products. Like, natural hair products were everywhere, which is what I really like, because it gives you a very big selection of the different things. Also, one of the SHEA Moisture like hair care mask was like almost $3, when at Walmart I know that I can get it for at least $2 or $1.50, something like that. It's not too crazy. I probably would end up like using my whole paycheck to get like a good head's worth of products. So now we're going to check out Ross to see what they have, because I have gotten some natural hair care things from Ross. So we're gonna see what this Ross by my house is working with, and then we'll move on to ShopRite. So on to the next one. Oh, my sheets are down here. On to the next one. Okay, right now we're making a quick stop at Five Below, because I am about to wash my hair later on today, and I really want a pre-poo, because I really like pre-poo in my hair. So oh! So right now we're at Five Below. Five Below, about to get some pre-poo. They don't have a very good selection of natural hair care products, but they do have some. So yeah, let's go. It's your girl. Okay, so like I said, they do have some natural hair care products. What I like to get is these pre-poo Palmer's coconut oil. I've used them before in my hair videos, but I really like these because it really gets your hair, like, gets all the dirt and stuff out before you wash your hair. So I'm gonna get a couple of, oh god, I'm gonna get a couple of these. This is also where I get like some of my hair masks. They do have a good selection of them, and I do really like these hair masks. So yeah, I might get a couple of these. I have a whole bunch of different kinds of hair masks, as well as they have a lot of like beauty supply stuff. This is where I get a lot of my beauty supply things from. I really like these scrunchy hairbands because they're really soft on your hair. So yeah, if you guys ever need some quick natural hair things, make sure you check out Five Below. I know how to go and get a bag, don't I know how to make her mad, don't I? Make my ex wanna get it back, that's a fact. Say a lot of photo in the back. Hey! Ricky Rose, Ross. Not that much. Oh, look. Interesting. Okay, so Ross's prices were, I mean, first of all, there wasn't much to talk about with the prices because they barely have none. I don't know if it's just the Ross that I have, or or what, because the Ross that I went to in like Mays Landing, like in by AC, their Rosses was popping with the hair care products. Like I got a lot of oils and I got a lot of creams, really good product, really good quality, but this one was ass. So okay, on to ShopRite.
Bye, bye, bye. Don't think twice. Look, you cried. Doing that, just doing that. Oh yeah. When a nigga pull up on me, tell that nigga baby.
Okay, so literally it took me 2 seconds to drive from Ross to ShopRite because they're right next to each other. Look, there's ShopRite, there's Ross. I could have literally walked over here, but your girl be lazy. So yeah, we're going to check out ShopRite's prices. And ShopRite has a very, I think, as if I can remember, ShopRite has a decent amount of natural hair care products and their prices aren't too shabby. So we're going to check out ShopRite's prices. Also, I wanted to get some Girl Scout cookies, but they're not even here. So it's a dub. I need them anyway. And I have to get some groceries, but yeah, let's check out these prices. ShopRite, ShopRite, are you shop alright? ShopRite. Guys, I got my cookies. They were here. Lemonades are my favorite Girl Scout cookies ever. On a mission to see ShopRite's natural hair care products. Hopefully they don't let us down. They didn't let us down with the Girl Scout cookies, so we might get lucky. Stay optimistic, guys. Okay, so we found the natural hair care products, and they have a fairly good amount. So let's look. Here's SHEA moisture products. What else do I use? I guess the coconut stuff. Some more SHEA moisture. See the prices. And then we got these down here. Ooh, John Frieda. And then we have some more coconut milk products. Interesting. Okay guys, we found the cheap products. Oi! Okay, so the Silk Infusion is $23 here, and at Target it was like 24 plus tax would have been like 25. So it's not that much of a difference. But hey, if you save a couple dollars, you save a couple dollars. Okay, so they did have Aussie stuff, but as you can see, it's all cleared out. They do have the 3-minute miracle thing, which I really do want to try, and it's only like $4 something. And if you guys watch my videos, this 3-minute moist deep conditioner, which is really good, is like $4. So I definitely would recommend coming to ShopRite for your Aussie hair care products. I didn't see them at Target, so this would be a good place for them. We have Eco Styler gel here. Okay, ShopRite, putting it down. You guys see the prices for these. Pretty sure you can get them cheaper at the beauty supply store. Maybe not. Some more Carol's Daughters. Some Cantu. Cantu prices not looking too bad. Some Cream of Nature not looking too bad. Olive oil not looking too bad. Okay, so we have more hair care products. We're here. We have the As I Am Coconut Co-Wash. Here are the prices. Leave-in conditioner. Not too shabby here. Not too shabby. Ooh, I love these products. They're really good. They're not too bad. I know at BJ's I get these for like $6, and they're a little bit more than $6 here. So, And then we have Carol's Daughters. Not too bad. Cantu. Not too bad. Not too bad. I haven't tried Jane Carter Solution. Maybe I will. The prices aren't that crazy. Okay, so they have a good selection of like hair accessories, hair brushes. They have a lot. This looks like Walmart almost. Pretty good selection. Pretty good selection of hair accessories and needs. Definitely would come here if I need anything like that. And the prices actually look a lot like Five Below, so it's pretty good. People have been walking by me looking at me crazy or talking to my phone, but they didn't say nothing to me, so shout out to y'all for keeping y'all mouth shut. Okay, so we finished looking at ShopRite. I got my groceries. Everything is good. ShopRite's prices were actually pretty cool, and they had a lot of products there. It may be different from your ShopRite, but the one in Millville, South Jersey, it was pretty lit. So now let's try to go to Walmart. I'm getting tired, so we'll do a couple more stores. Okay, so this is where we're going to end the video for today. It's already really long, and I know you guys don't want to be here for 20 plus minutes watching this video. So be on the lookout Wednesday for the rest of this vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you later.